Welcome back! Have you ever wondered how to reorder your elements in ipyvizzu for a better visual impact? Well, you're in luck, because we have some parameters that give you just the control you need. ipyvizzu provides multiple options to sort your data. By default, it sorts the values by the order those are in the data frame. This is why we suggest adding temporal data, such as dates, in chronological order from oldest to newest. In the first example, we are starting with the latest date of our elements, sorted by the order the data was added to our dataset. But we can easily switch to an ascending order by sorting the elements by value. For this, we use the sort config parameter and set it to by value. If you want a descending order, you need to use the reverse parameter and set it to true. When this parameter is used without setting the sorting to by value, the elements will be in the opposite order than they are in the dataset. And let's see how we can switch back to the default sorting. We need to set the sort parameter again, but this time to none, and the reverse parameter to false. This episode ends here, but don't go too far, because in the next video I will show you how to align chart elements and set custom ranges for your axis.